What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we're going to talk about Loopring today. It should be more of a normal video, nothing really to write home about besides the fact that we did see a pretty decent move. Now, my head hurts, my overall, body hurts today, so I'm not really feeling that great, which means this video is definitely going to be short. I wanted to give you guys an update of exactly um, what I'm excited about when it comes to Loopring and just talk about the movement that we did see today. So, guys, if you can, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you guys want to follow me on Twitch, please do so, as well as checking out my Discord group. Link is in the description. You can sign up for the Patreon and be a part of that as well. Uh, but let's go ahead and talk about this. We can talk about Loopring, and you can see that it's on my screen right now. It's at $3.33. It's up 32% in the last day. That's pretty big, right? Seeing that up a hell of a lot after seeing it decrease below $3 and down to about 316, or sorry, 216, was definitely something that hurt a lot of people. When they saw, they were just like, "Oh, I need to get out of this position. I can't do it." And I had to basically, tell people, "Hey, this is how the market works. The market, will be up, will be down another minute, and that's just really how the market works. It's just based on a lot of people buying, the amount of volume, the popularity of the coin, all that, right?" So we can see here that the things that we would like to factor into this increase, right? We see an increase in volume. We see 207% or almost 208% increase in volume. We're at about 3.3 billion in volume in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. It's amazing to see that. Market cap's around 4.5 billion. You do see the popularity that did increase because of the amount of volume that we did see. Popularity is around 28th now. We still see a typical hold time of 14 days, right? That's not going to change because the day was the same since the last time I made a video on this, which was my stream earlier this morning. But you did see this increase and get to a high today of 348, I believe. I never really trust how Coinbase charting is because it's like, I don't know, it just fluctuates and it's just weird the way that it moves. But if we look at the past hour, we can see that we're up about 1%. The past day, we're up 33%. Past week, we're up 28%. Past month, you're up 679%. And past year, 1,589%, almost 1,590%. You do see that this is on a fast track on the way down, right? It is starting to recover here after hitting this low here of about 222. I believe the lowest point was like 216. So obviously this is going by maybe hour candlesticks or hour lines or hour points, bullet points. But you can see here that this is starting to stair step on the way up and starting to increase on the way up, and now it's sitting at 334. So that's great to see that increase there. I'm really happy with that. Now I was trying to figure out, if we had any type of news that really propelled it forward. And really, the reason why we did see this sort of increase is because apparently it's heavily mentioned on the Wall Street Bets. I haven't looked at Wall Street Bets, but it's heavily mentioned on the Wall Street Bets to talk about GME and just to basically have that factor into the growth that we did see yesterday, and seeing a lot of people talking about GME in Wall Street Bets, and having that connection with GME to Loopring is something that I like to obviously see because I'm holding both of those. So I'm very proud of the movement of everything. The stock market was not up today, so it did not really make a generous move today. Yesterday it was up quite a bit, seeing AMC up a hell of a lot, or sorry, GME up a hell of a lot. But I can tell you that Loopring looks amazing, and I'm glad that we were able to hold our ground. There's a lot of people that probably bought in at the lows, and if you did, you made a decent amount of money. Also, I talked about swing trading it if you wanted to. From where we were at $3, just swing trading that, buying a thousand in the beginning of the day, and seeing that go up to $3.40 or so. You could have made about $400 from it. $300, $400 from it, which would have been really good, minus the amount that you have to. Oh, I got a headache. Oh, geez, that hit hard. Minus the amount that we have to, take out for fees and all that stuff. But guys, I'm gonna get out of here. My head's hurting. I just wanted to do a quick update for you guys and see where Loopring is. Let you guys know that we did see a pretty decent increase for today. And make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links in the description. It does help out the channel. But I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next video.